This is W164 as ML350. So the issue of this vehicle is this: no starting, nothing, no starting. Yeah, at times it will show a message of drive to workshop without shifting gear. So, and it has two keys. Let me use the second key. Yeah. No starting, nothing, no starting. As you can see, no starting. And the only time this car can start is when you remove one of the battery terminal. So this is so tight. Okay. Yeah. We remove the negative terminal for some time. Then put it again. Straight. As you can see, it starts, but without removing the negative battery and putting it back, the car can never start. So this is the issue of the vehicle, which is very wrong. Yes. Let me try the second key. So this is the only time the car can start. So the solution to this, after everything I've done, I'll just go straight to the point. I programmed a new EIS for it.